2026 Chevrolet Corvette C10, ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a car. This is a statement, a revolution, a masterpiece that Chevrolet has unleashed upon the world in 2026. And today here on Nitro Garage, we are going to talk about every single thing that makes this beast absolutely breathtaking and unlike anything you have ever seen before on four wheels. The Chevrolet Corvette C10 2026 arrives as the most aggressive, most powerful, and most visually stunning Corvette ever created in the entire history of this legendary American supercar nameplate. From the very first moment your eyes land on this machine, you immediately understand that Chevrolet did not come here to play games. The pearl white wide-body exterior is sculpted with razor-sharp aerodynamic lines that slice through the air with surgical precision. Every curve and every angle has been purposefully designed not just to look incredible, but to generate serious downforce, keeping this monster planted to the road at speeds that will make your heart stop. The Chevrolet Corvette C10 is powered by a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged LT7 V8 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque, pushing this supercar from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars ever built on American soil. The exhaust note alone is enough to give you goosebumps, because when you press that throttle and this V8 opens up, it sounds like thunder rolling across the sky, and everyone within a mile radius stops what they are doing just to look. The Chevrolet Corvette C10 features an all-new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that fires off gear changes in under 80 milliseconds, giving you that raw, visceral connection between man and machine that every true car enthusiast dreams about. The top speed of this absolute weapon is 220 miles per hour, making it not just fast, but supercar fast, hypercar territory fast, the kind of fast that makes European exotics nervous on the straight line. On the outside, the Chevrolet Corvette C10 sits on massive dark multi-spoke, forged racing wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup, 2 tires specifically developed for this car. The aggressive front splitter and massive rear diffuser are both crafted from exposed carbon fiber, and the signature red arrow-shaped LED taillights at the rear are so distinctive and so bold that you will recognize this car from a mile away in your rearview mirror. Step inside the Chevrolet Corvette C10 and you enter a world of pure racing luxury, where everything is wrapped in red and black leather, with carbon fiber accents covering every surface you can see. The flat-bottom steering wheel sits perfectly in your hands. The dual digital instrument cluster displays all your performance data in stunning clarity, and the large central touchscreen gives you complete control over every system in the car with the smoothest and most responsive interface in the segment. The Chevrolet Corvette C10 also comes loaded with Chevrolet's most advanced magnetic ride control suspension system that reads the road surface 1,000 times per second and adjusts the dampers instantly, giving you a ride that is both comfortable enough for daily driving and sharp enough for track day destruction. The carbon ceramic brakes are massive and absolutely fade-free, even under the most extreme track conditions, stopping this 850 horsepower monster with complete confidence every single time. Here on Nitro Garage, we have seen a lot of incredible cars pass through, but the Chevrolet Corvette C10 2026 is genuinely something else entirely. It represents the absolute peak of what American engineering passion and determination can achieve when there are zero compromises and zero limits. This is Chevrolet proving to the entire world that the greatest supercar does not have to come from Italy or Germany, because America has been building legends all along, and the Chevrolet Corvette C10 is the greatest legend of them all. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Nitro Garage.